Hello students, I am Anjali, your English mentor. In the previous video, we discussed about pronoun, types of pronoun. In that first one is personal pronoun. Already we discussed in the last video. Let us know what is second one. What is objectual pronoun? Objectual pronoun, or we can call accusative pronoun. Accusative pronoun. So, second one, there are 11 types of pronouns are there. Already we discussed about first one, that is personal pronoun. Today we are going to discuss about objectual pronoun or accusative pronoun, which is second one. Okay. Let us see definition first. A pronoun on which action is affected, is called an objectual pronoun. Objectual pronoun. See what the statement is saying. A pronoun on which action is affected is called an objectual pronoun. Let us see example. Example. Rani hates me. Rani hates me. Okay. So here objectual pronoun is me. Okay. So first we have to know that what is object. Okay. So here in English, object means not a thing. Okay. Object means on which action is affected. So in the last video also we discussed about subject and object. Is it? Again I am reminding you that object means on which action is affected is called object. On which action is affected or happened. Affected or happened. So first we have to know what is object. Object means on which action is affected or happened. Action means work. Action means work. So on which that work is happened, that comes under object. Okay. So let us see this sentence. So here Rani hates me. So Rani hates. Here she was not liking. Okay, to whom? To me here. Is it? So that work was done on whom? On me. Is it? So on which the action is affected? Saying this statement. What this statement is saying? A pronoun. This is a pronoun me. On which action is affected? On which action means work is affected, means happened. Here work is hate. So she hates to whom? To me. So that's why is called an objectual pronoun. So me is an objectual pronoun. So statement what it is saying? It is saying that objectual pronoun means on which action is affected. So if we observe this sentence, we can understand that Rani hates. She always doing one work, that is hate. Is it? To whom that work she was doing, on whom that work was doing, that girl? On me. So that action, that work is happened on me. That's why it comes under objectual pronoun. Okay. Suppose next Raju Raju teaches well. Raju Raju teaches me well. So here Raju teaches me well is there, is it? So here Raju means action doer. Here Raju doing something daily, is it? What he is doing? He is teaching. Okay. So to whom he is teaching? To me, is it? So that's why me comes under object. Well means how he was teaching. He was teaching in a good manner. Okay. Raju teaches me well. Okay. So here Raju is subject because Raju is doing that work. What he is doing? He is teaching. Is it? So to whom he is teaching? To me. So that's why me comes under object. Me comes under object. Okay. So like this, object means on which action is affected. That comes under objectual case or objectual pronoun or accusative case or accusative pronouns we can say. Okay. So now you understood? I think so. Okay. Rani hates me. Here Rani comes under subject. Okay. Because why? Because Rani is doing that work. Is it? So what about hates? Hates comes under verb. Here me. Me is object here. So object means not a thing in English. Object means on which action is affected. That comes under object. Okay. Raju teaches me well. Okay. So Raju is subject here. Teaches is verb here. Me is objectual pronoun. Or simply we can say object or accusative pronoun. Okay. So this is about first example of me. Okay. Suppose subject is I. We have to write object me. Subject, for subject I, object is me. Okay. So if subject I is there in the place of subject, we have to write I. Suppose this comes under object means we have to write me. Okay. Subject I, object is me. Okay. Next, let us see next. Us. Second example, we, us. Suppose subject is we. If it comes under object, it becomes us. Okay. Let us see example. They play with us. They play with us. Okay. So here they is there. Is it? What is they here? They is subject because they is doing some work here. What they are doing? They are playing. Is it? They play means always they do that work. Okay. What they do that work? Play. Okay. Play comes under verb. With whom they play? With us. Us comes under, so that work is happened on us. Is it? On which action is affected is called objectual pronoun. Is it? So here they comes under subject. They are doing some work. What they are doing? They are playing here. They plays. Always they do that word daily. Okay. So what they do daily? They plays. Is it? With whom? With us. Okay. So here us comes under objectual pronoun. Okay. Next let us see second example. Next Rajesh is joining with us. Rajesh is joining with us. Second example. Okay. See here. Rajesh is a boy. So what that boy is doing? That boy is joining. Okay. In a group he is joining. Is it? That also comes under verb. With whom he was joining? Us. Is it? Us means we. Along some people are there. Okay. Along that people, I also included there. Okay. So with us, Rajesh also joining. Okay. So Rajesh is doing some work. On whom that work is happening? On us. So that's why us comes under objectual pronoun. Objectual pronoun. Let us see what is about Rajesh. Rajesh comes under subject because Rajesh is doing that work. Okay. So what he is doing? He is joining. Is it? So joining comes under verb. Okay. So here Rajesh is joining with us. Okay. So Rajesh is doing some work. What he is doing? He is joining with us. So us comes under objectual pronoun because that work happened on us. Is it? So on which action is happened, that comes under objectual pronoun. Is it? So this is second. Next examples of you. For you, if subject also you only, if it comes under object place, then it stands as it is you only. Okay. Ravi loves you. Ravi loves you. Okay. So Ravi is one person is there. Okay. He does one thing. He do one thing. Is it? What is that? Love. To whom? You. Okay. So you is object here. Okay. So Ravi is subject. So loves comes under verb because it is an action or work. Okay. Let us see once again. Ravi loves you. Is it? So Ravi is there. Ravi is a boy. He do that work. He does work. What is that work? Love. Is it? So Ravi loves. So on which that action is affecting? On you. So that's why you comes under object or objectual pronoun or accusative case or accusative pronoun we can say. Simply we are saying object. Okay. Next, Kamala meets you. Kamala meets you. Okay. So Kamala, one girl, she does one work, that is meets. That girl meets to somebody. To whom? To you. Is it? So that work is happened on you. That's why you comes under object. You comes under object. Kamala comes under subject. Meets comes under verb. Okay. So if subject is you, if it comes to object place, then it also stands as it is you only. Okay. So let us see example. Ravi loves you. So Ravi, one boy, does one work, that is love. So that Ravi loves you. You comes under object because that work happened on you. Okay. Kamala meets you. So Kamala, one girl, does some work that is meets to whom? You. So on which that action is affected? Happened you. So that's why you comes under object or objectual pronoun. Okay. Next. He. He. Okay. Lavanya bet him. Lavanya bet him. Okay. So here Lavanya, well, one girl is there. What that girl does here? That girl bets him. Okay. So that girl bets somebody. To whom? On him. Is it? So that's why him comes under object. Here Lavanya comes under subject because Lavanya does that work. What she did? She bets. Means always that girl do that work. Okay, so that's why bets to whom? Him. So that him is under objectual pronoun because that action happened on him. Is it? So on which that action is happened, that comes under objectual pronoun. Lavanya bets him. So that bet happened on him. So that's why him comes under objectual pronoun. Next, Suresh. Suresh kicked him. Suresh kicked him. Okay. So here Suresh, one boy, done some work, did some work. Is it? So what he did? He kicked. To whom? Him. Is it? Suresh comes under subject. Kicked verb. Him. To whom? That boy kicked Suresh. To him. Object. Objectual pronoun. So here Suresh did some work. That some work happened on him. Is it? So that's why him comes under objectual pronoun. If he is there means we have to write in the place of object, we have to write him. Okay. Next, she. She means subject. If it comes to object place, it becomes her. Okay. Ravi liked her. Okay. Ravi, one boy is there. He did some work that is liked. Okay. To whom? To her. Is it? So that action affected on her. That's why her comes under objectual pronoun. Okay. So Ravi comes under subject because Ravi did that work. What he did? He liked. Liked means comes under verb. He did some work that is liked. To whom? Her. Is it? So that's why that action happened on her. That's why that her becomes objectual pronoun of liked. Okay. Next, teacher. Teacher scolded her. Teacher scolded her. Okay. So here teacher subject means action doer. Teacher did some work. What she did? Scolded. Is it? Scolded is an action or work. Is it? So that's why that comes under verb. That verb action happened on her. Is it? So that's why her comes under objectual pronoun. Okay. Objectual pronoun. So teacher scolded her. Here teacher it comes under subject. Scolder comes under verb. That teacher scolded to whom? To her. Is it? So that's why her comes under objectual pronoun. Okay. So if any action happened on somebody, that people comes under objectual pronoun. Okay. Next let us see next example. It. It. Subject means object place. If it comes to object place, it stands as it is, it only. Okay. Rani. Rani covered it. Okay. So Rani covered it. So Rani is a girl. Okay. So Rani comes under subject because Rani did some work here. Is it? So action doer comes under subject. Is it? So Rani did some work here. What she did? Covered. Is it? Something she covered. So covered comes under verb. So here it. Something is there. Is it? So that covered, to whom that action is happened on it. Is it? So that's why it comes under object. Okay. So here Rani is subject, covered is verb. So that verb happened on it. So that's why it comes under object. Okay. Next. Reshma picked it. So Reshma picked it. Reshma, one girl is there. That girl picked something. Reshma, one girl is there. That girl did some work, that is picked it. So that action picked on happened on it. Is it? So that's why it is object. Picked here verb. Reshma comes under subject. Okay. So Reshma picked it. Okay. So Reshma did some work, that is picked. So that action happened on it. So that's why it comes under object. Okay. This is about it. Next, they. They, them. They, them. So, if they is there in subjectual pronoun, in the place of they is in the place of subject means it stands they. So, if it comes in the place of object means they becomes them. Okay. So, Ratna catched them. Ratna catched them. Okay. So here Ratna, one girl is there. That girl catched. Okay. Means here verb them. To whom she catched? She catched somebody. Is it? So that's why them comes under objectual pronoun. Catched comes under verb. Ratna comes under subject. Okay. Next, Vinod fought with them. Vinod fought with them. So, Vinod, one boy is there. He fought. He fought with somebody, with them, is it? So, he did one work, that is fought, is it? So, fought comes under verb. So, this verb happened on them. So, that's why this them comes under object real pronoun. Okay? Object real pronoun. So, what is about Vinod here? Vinod subject, because Vinod did that work, is it? So, action doer Vinod, is it? So, action doer means subject. Action doer Vinod. Vinod did some work, that is fought with them. So, that action happened on them. So, that's why them comes under object real pronoun. So, this is about. Subscribe to my channel to get unlimited educational content and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload a video. Thank you for watching.